What's up guys, quick update since I haven't been here for 2 days, 3 days. I'm gonna go pick up a tree in a little bit and the brushes, some plants, I don't know. And then the sod should be getting here somewhere in the next hour. Oh, we got mulch also to lay out. Alright, so I just got back with the plants and the tree. This is where we're at. Let's see if I can set this down where you can see it. Okay guys, we just finished up doing the landscape here. I think it looks really nice. Let me show you guys. Sprinkler going to dry out. We still got some dirt left over. Gonna use it up on that next house over there, or maybe when this one comes in here. The backside. Got the blanket rolled out. Seat underneath. And you got behind the garage right over here. Mulch. If you guys remember, this is the other house I did. So hopefully the inspector comes in and we can get that drywall up so we can finish up that garage. Until then, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.